Hello everyone and welcome back to Sew Aldo.
Today I am going to show you how to transform this maxi skirt to a trendy tube top and a skirt set. The first thing I will do is hem the skirt. I simply tried it on and mark how long I want it to be. You can customize it to your preferred length. You can do a mini skirt or a midi skirt like what I am going to do today. And then you can finish it by hand or by sewing machine. Simply fold in 1/2 inch allowance and then sew it all the way to the other end. Using the fabric that I trim off from the skirt, I am going to make a tube top or a bandeau. So I measured it to fit my body and it's around 16 inches on fold. This fabric that I'm using is actually very stretchy. And then I am going to match the right side of the fabric and I am going to sew this end close so I can try it on. After trying it on, I needed to adjust along the side seam like on the waistline, so I'm going to be taking in about 2 inches from here. So I'm going to taper it because obviously the waistline tapers. After that, I am going to trim off the excess fabrics on the side seams, and I'm also going to adjust the neckline. So I needed to trim off about 1 inch and then I am going to fold it about 1 inch. This is going to be the neckline. If you want to add elastic in the casing, you can totally do that. But I don't have to worry about it because this fabric that I'm using is very stretchy and it kind of follows the curve of the body. But feel free to add elastic on the casing. Just leave an opening so you can feed an elastic through the casing. To add an extra detail to the tube top, I decided to gather the top neckline so it will have that heart-shaped neckline to it. So I'm just going to do a gather stitch right here and then I am going to slightly pull it and then secure it using a thread and needle, and the top is done. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you enjoy this sewing tutorial for beginner. If you would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I hope to see you soon. Bye!